In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into Gallery app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you find one of your photos you wish to get rid of, hold it, and to select multiple right away, use those icons at the top right corners. To keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!